What if I told you that there's a way to overcome any addiction without constantly battling it? A way that is not only effective but also sustainable. A strategy that will profoundly change your life. Well, by the end of this video, you will be able to apply this tried and true strategy for yourself. You're probably familiar with it. When people try to kick their addiction, they are often filled with motivation. Maybe they've seen a cool video, read an inspiring forum post, or heard of someone who conquered their addiction. It gives them a sort of super boost, and they think, this time, everything will be different. But here lies the problem. Many of them lack a plan, a clear strategy of what they should actually do, apart from, of course, avoiding their substance of choice. It's as if they are shooting an arrow into the darkness and hoping it hits the target by chance. Unfortunately, that often doesn't work out so well. In fact, studies show that only 1 out of 10 people ever truly break free from their addiction. And that's definitely not a good success rate, is it? We need to make a change. I've found that the chances of success significantly increase when you simply adhere to a clear strategy, no matter what it is. That's precisely why groups like Alcoholics Anonymous are so successful. They have a clear plan and a clear goal in mind. And that's exactly how we should approach this, whether we're trying to break free from pornography, alcohol, smoking, video games, or social media. A clear strategy is the key to success here. Okay, friends, let's delve deeper into this strategy that takes the spotlight in this video. Believe me, it's quite effective. Many people have benefited from it, and I am convinced it can help you too. You are probably already asking yourself, what is this brilliant strategy? Well, here it is. Forget for a moment about expending all your energy on fighting your bad habits. Instead, focus on building good habits. That's the key. By gradually transforming your life toward positive habits, what made you addicted will become gradually less attractive. On this channel, the majority of our time is dedicated to teaching you how to build these good habits. You will see many videos about how habits work, how they form, and how to ensure they are permanently etched into your brain. And then we will delve into willpower and self-discipline. With these tools in hand, you can embark on building your habits. We will also discuss how you can change your environment, both physically and socially, so that you live in an environment that facilitates the development of these habits. And once you've learned all this, it's up to you to take matters into your own hands. Follow what you've learned and start building these good habits. Over time, you'll notice that things like pornography and drugs just aren't as tempting anymore. Why is this strategy so effective? That's what we'll discuss next. Well, it really comes down to how habits work. In future videos on my channel, we'll dive even deeper into this topic, but for now, it's important to understand that habits cannot simply be erased. Think of it like riding a bike. No matter how long it's been since you've been on a bike, once you get back on it, you quickly remember how to ride. Our brains store habits indefinitely. You can't just say you'll avoid junk food forever and hope it works, because it just doesn't. But the good news is, research shows that you can change your habits. For example, if you tend to turn to social media or smoking when you're bored, you can learn to replace that habit with something better. Instead of going on Snapchat or Facebook, you could develop the habit of reading a book or going to the gym. This also applies to those of you struggling with procrastination. If you can replace or connect your procrastination habit to something else that brings you joy, you're changing the way your brain works. Instead of postponing important tasks when you experience certain feelings, you'll immediately associate addressing them with positive experiences, people, and encounters. And if you can motivate yourself to develop healthy habits that make you happier, healthier, and more successful, then you've solved the real problem. You'll lead a more fulfilling life, free from vices. That's our goal, and that's the strategy we'll be implementing together in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to support the YouTube algorithm. Together, we can do it.